In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Steam account right from your mobile device. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But all you're going to need in order to do this is simply just an internet connection and an email address. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of the Steam app if you do have it open and open up a web browser of your choice and go to steam.storepowered.com. Specifically, if you search up login, it's going to take you to this page. Once you're on the Steam website, though, you can also just click these three lines and then hit login up at the top. And once again, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you're able to hit create an account on new to Steam. And what you're going to want to do on this screen is enter in the email address that you want to use for your Steam account, then confirm it by typing it in again, selecting the country of residence. This is usually going to be autofilled, and then completing the reCAPTCHA to prove that you're not a robot. After that, simply go ahead and go through the standard setup process for creating a new account. You're going to have to check the box to agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. Then go into your email app, for example Gmail, and you'll see a verification from Steam. Tap verify my email and then finish creating your account. But yeah, from there you can return to the Steam app and you'll be able to sign in with that exact account. And that's it. You're now set up with Steam here on mobile. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.